Triggers. Trigger section in Orchestrator will enable us to schedule a process execution. We can disable or enable those schedulers. Now back to the Orchestrator, we can see that there's a process that we already have. Earlier, we have used jobs to trigger the robot, but right now what I will do is using the option available in the left called triggers. What I will try to do is I will try to just schedule it. Click on plus icon and here you can find two options. One is if you want to set a particular time at which you want to execute this particular execution, you can do it right here. And this is related to queue, a topic which we have to still discuss. So let's concentrate right here, time. So there's the name that you want to give it to the scheduler. Just say demo run. And then you can select the process that we have. It's my bot, my environment. And then if you had anything over here, if you had any robots available under that particular thing, you would have been able to see it right here. But I guess there's no robots in my environment. Just go back to the environment, which will be right here. Just click on yes, and here environments, and this, just see if you have the robots under it. No. So just select this and go back to the environment triggers, click on plus, just give demo here, and then select this particular thing, and here you'll be able to see this particular robot available. Select this, and here in the left side you can set the zone at what time you want to execute that. Here if you want to be, if you want it to be executed every 1 minute, you can select it over here, every 5 minutes, every 10 minutes, or you can go with hours. If you want it to be executed every hour, you can select it. If you want it to be every 5 hours, you can just edit it. If you want it to be executed every day at particular time, say 8:30, you can do that. 16, 24-hour segment, weekly, which days you want to execute, monthly, and if you want some advanced things, then you can do that right here. And suppose if you have executed something and it is supposed to run continuously, but what if you want to stop it after some time? You can do that. Stop job after some time, disable trigger at this particular thing. You can also set that particular thing. Because we are not concerned about this, let's stop this and I will try to trigger it every 5 minutes. So that's the task that I want to execute. So once that is done, I can just click on add. It's there. I can see it will be executed every 5 minutes. The next run is in next 2 minutes. You can even edit it because 5 minutes is too much for us. You can directly go over here and click on 1 minute and click on update. It will be executed in the next few seconds if you wait for it. If you just want to disable it, you can disable it. If you want to enable it, it will be available right here. So because it's expected to run, it's here. I have clicked on OK, so it should have successfully executed it. So it will again try to run it after 1 minute. If you just don't want to execute it, you can remove it. In case you don't want to execute it for few days and then again you want to resume it, you can click on disable. Let's wait for the second run to happen. As you can see, this is the second run. So this time I don't want to enable it. I have disabled it. You can see the next run status is disabled. If you want to delete it, you can delete it. So that's how we were able to handle triggers in Orchestrator.